Hemavati, you want to say something?
Yeah, maybe for that production, the electricity consumption will be more. Uh, they they might have thought that it could be a miscellaneous cost, but maybe that is the biggest reason for uh, you know contributing to the cost, and that's why they want to streamline or uh, to know the exact consumption of the electricity.
Very good answer. Very good answer. So one of the places where we did there, basically it was a steel industry, and the work center and the cost center we were in discussion is the big furnaces. So in the big furnaces, apart from the material which would be melted, there's a huge amount of electricity is required to run those furnaces. So the electricity is kind of one of the major chunk. Electricity is kind of one of the major chunk, okay, which is used. Okay, so they are at that point of time, okay, the electricity is a significant cost. And everybody is interested that when we are producing that much of metric of ton, when we are melting it, how much of electricity is consumed. And then they also have a level 3 machines. Level 3 machines, which is in the steel manufacturing, Germany is one of the country which provide a lot of machines for the steel industry. So they have a level 3 machines which can control that what materials are going in, and it can also give a in output that how much of the electricity for this particular production order. You can also feed a production order in the machines, and what is the material consumed, what is the input, what is the output, and it also give you the different parameters, hell lot of parameters. This is the electricity consumption happened for this particular melting, that number of hours has been used. So all the data you get from the machines. So that way, in that business, we are having a good tracking. First thing, electricity is the one which is making a lot of difference. It is, if you want to fine tune your process in future, you need that data so that you can reduce the electricity consumption. Second thing, we have some output getting it directly from the machine from the level 3 systems, where we can take that, okay, that machine tells us that how much of unit of electricity has been consumed. So in that project, we use a kind of the MII tool, Manufacturing Integration and Intelligence of SAP. That's a level 4 system. Sorry, that's a level 3 system. Uh, sorry, MII is level 3 system, and then it connects with the machine system. That's a level 2 system. It get all the data from the machine system. It get converted, and then it get punched into the system. The production order confirmation happens automatically, right? So two things: easy way to capture the data if it is available, and second thing, if that data is influencing the business a lot, that's a significant cost, right? Then you need to take a call, okay, bring it into the activities. Bring it into the activities. So take a conscious call, because when we talk about the activities, it's a shared topic. Not only the PP guys need to make a call, okay, this thing we will be putting into the activities, because the costing team also need to agree to give a cost of it. If PP team gives the data and the costing team does not give the data, it does not work. If costing team said that, no, I'm also using carbon dioxide, I'm also using LPG. This carbon dioxide and LPG also need to be included in activities, because it cannot be included in BOM, right? It also need to be included as activity, and the production team is unable to give that data. They cannot tell that how much of this LPG, carbon dioxide per materials need to be consumed. They cannot give that standard master data, and they cannot also tell, if I'm producing a production order, how much of carbon dioxide or how much of LPG I have consumed. For each production order, I don't have that data. Then in that cases, it does not make sense to put into the activities. So that was an important discussion. I want you to make sure that you all understand how we define in the projects as a consultant what activities need to be used. Okay, what activities need to be used, and PP and FICO both need to include in that discussion.